Morning, everyone, and welcome to the Chapter 10 test review. Let's begin. For part 1, I need you to use this circle provided and draw and label each of these terms. So somewhere on your circle, draw and have an understanding of an inscribed angle, perpendicular bisector, chord, tangent, arc, and central angle. Pause now and do that. Here are the answers. For the inscribed angle, I have it right here in red. Remember, an inscribed angle is formed by two chords. For the central angle, if I jump down the number 6 here, that's formed by two radii, so this central angle is in black. For the chord, I mean, there's countless examples of chords, but we can go over here to the blue one if you'd like. The chord is anywhere that touches both sides of the circle but does not go through the center. But the tangent line is right here. I missed right there, which touches the circle only at one point. The arc is really of any angle, so we can just look at the arc of this angle right here. That's the arc. And finally, the perpendicular bisector is over here. It comes from the center, it cuts the chord into two equal halves. Next question. For this one, you've got triangle ABD here within the circle, and I need you to find the two missing angles. Please pause now and try. Here's the answer. This one always tends to trick people up. The central angle here is right there. It is a straight line, which means the central angle is 180 degrees. So the inscribed angle has to be half of that, which would be 90 degrees. And if you know that this is 39 and this is 90, you can go 180 minus 39 minus 90, and that'll leave you with 51 as your final answer. Next question. Here we've got triangle CYX. It's tangent to the circle at point X. C is the center. I need you to find angle CXY and angle CYX. Please pause now. Here's the answer. Once again, if there is a tangent line, which we have here, this line comes from the center down here. So it touches at the point of tangency, it forms a 90-degree angle. Then if we know two angles in the triangle, we can find the third. So we go 180 minus 90 minus 67, and that leaves us with 23. Next question. This one's a little bit more complicated. You've got 110 here as your central angle. This length here, side length is 4. This length of TN is 11. And I need you to find the missing angles and the missing side length. Please pause now and try. The answer is... All right, there's a lot of answers here. We'll go through them one at a time. The first one, this triangle right here is an isosceles triangle with two equal sides, which are the radius. If the sides are equal, that also means the base angles are equal. So I go 180 minus 110 equals 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35. So each of those angles is 35. The next angle I found is 70. For 70, I know that these two angles form a straight line, and the straight line has to equal 180 degrees. So 180 minus 110, which we already have, leaves us with 70. So this angle here must be 70. The next angle I found is over here. Here's the tangent line, and this line comes from the center to the point of tangency, forms a 90-degree angle. So that's 90. 180 minus 90 minus 70 leaves us with 20. And then now that we have a 90-degree angle, we can use that right triangle right here with the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what the hypotenuse is, and it is 11.7. That's the end of today's review. Here are the textbook questions you should work on. Thank you.